We're going to construct the graph of this function, f of x equals 1 half x plus 2. Now, back in the old days, that is the last section, or 3.1, we might have been writing it like this. Instead of f of x, we might have been using y equals 1 half x plus 2. F of x and y are the same thing. They both represent outputs, but sometimes we get a little bit more information contained in f of x. So that was the old notation. Let's use the new notation. So we'll build a table. We'll get x and y. Now choose x to be 0, say, easy to work with. We'll put 0 back in here for x, and we will get 1 half of 0 plus 2. Half of 0 is 0 plus 2, so we're at 2. So where are we? We're at 0, so no left or right movement, but a vertical movement upward at 2. So over here, start at the origin. We don't move left or right, but we do go up 2. So let's put a point right there. Now, let's choose another point. We could choose 1, if I choose a 1 here, but the problem with that is that if I put a 1 here, I get half of 1, which is a half. That's a fraction. I don't want to have to guess fractions on my graph. So a general rule is this. Look at your denominator, and then pick a number here that's divisible by that denominator. So I could pick, this is 2, pick any even number. Like I could pick 2 or 4 or 6. How about if we pick 4? Now I'm picking 4 because it's kind of, it's a little farther away from 0, so I get a better feel for where that graph is going to be when I try to draw the line. So I'm going to pick 4. Then I'm going to put that 4 right back up there into x. So I will get 1 half of 4 plus 2. Half of 4 is 2. Plus 2 is 4. So what are we going to do here? We're going to go to the right 4, up 4. So over here I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to go to the right 4, up 4, right there, and put a point. Okay, I got 2 points. Let's get a third point just as a check. So I'm going to go to the left of 0 this time. I'm going to put in -4. Just pick any other point that's divisible by 2. Any other number for x divisible by 2. I'm going to choose -4. So I'll get 1 half of -4 plus 2 is -half. Half of -4 is -2, and then plus 2. So there we are at 0. So I'm going to go to the left 4, start at the origin, go to the left 4, no up or down, no vertical movement. So over here, start at the origin, go to the left 4, and no up or down, right there on the x-axis. Okay, and as best we can, I'm going to pass a straight line through those 3 points, and that's going to be my line 1 half x plus 2. Now what I also want to do in this problem is to draw the line segments that represent x equals 4 and f of 4. So I'm going to do that by drawing this line here. Now the line that represents x equals 4, I'm going to start at 0 and go out to 4. All right, there's a line segment that represents x equals 4, and the line segment that represents f of 4, well, f of 4 is right here. There we go.